Hi, it's me, Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to get on top of the train in lots of ways. Enjoy. The first way is pretty simple. You just hop on the train like that, yeah. Second way is you get on top of this thing. I don't know what it is, but anyway, you get on the train. The next one, you hop on top of the map, then you jump onto the train from there. For this one, you have to squish yourself into the corner, jump, then jump, then jump again, and then you can jump on top of the train. I missed this a couple of times, so I'll just fast forward this bit. That's one that you probably won't know. Plus, my brother's making retarded noises in the background, so yeah.
That's me.
And that's it, so enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video.